Guess what we're having today? Stuffed salmon. Yes, stuffed salmon. I have my salmon here, regular cream cheese, mozzarella cheese, feta cheese, vegetable soup mix, which is Knorr's, uh, water chestnuts, which are whole but will be chopped, and spinach. So let's get this ball rolling. Okay, I have washed my fish, dried it off, and now I'm going to mix all my ingredients. I have 4 ounces of cream cheese here, about a third a cup of feta cheese, a cup of mozzarella, and we have spinach here, and I'm going to chop that up so it won't be such a, the leaves won't be so big. Okay, I'm going to put all this in this one bowl. And then I have 3 water chestnuts. We're going to chop those up. And these can be found in the Asian section at the grocery store. They give a little crunch to the stuffing, the mixture. This is real easy and quick to make. Look at this. Cut these up as fine as I can. I don't want big chunks. I just want a light little crunch. That's it. Well, that one didn't get cut up at all. They must be falling off. And we're going to put that in there with that. And I said this would probably be good in my stuffing for my salmon. So, it's all mixed really well. Okay, my salmon is, like I said, washed and dried. And I've cut cut it in half. And this is the skin on the back. I kept the skin, and this is a piece of the skin, actually. So we're gonna season it with some lemon pepper. I kind of like to rub it in there. Okay, so then we're gonna slice it on the side in the center so that we can put our stuffing in it. So go in as much as we can. Just kind of split a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to cut this one. gonna be, ooh, good, guys. Gotta get all that stuff in there. Okay, I think I need to slice this a little more. Oh, it's too thin. Well, you know what I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna toothpick it. You're gonna put toothpicks in it. Okay, it's now stuffed, and I had to put toothpicks in the ends of the fish because they were too thin. So we're gonna get them in the skillet. Okay, let's get our olive oil in our skillet. Okay, so we're gonna get our fish on in the skillet. We're gonna cook it on the top first. There we go. Bottom, but I'm gonna put some on there anyway. And, you know, you need to cook your salmon at least 8 minutes on each side, unless you like it medium. And you want to cook your fish about 4 minutes on each side. You can see it's starting to turn pink. We're going to let that sit for a minute. Okay, so now we're going to flip it over. On the other side, you can see how it's pink on one side. It's getting cooked on that one side. It's going to be kind of tricky. Stuffing is everywhere. Cheesy. Very cheesy, guys. I'm going to take the toothpick out of this one and this one. Okay, they're done, and what we're going to do is take them out and put them on a plate.